Hey guys, what's up? This is Nate here, and today over at the iCloud beta website, Apple has added two new applications. The first is Notes, and then the other one is Reminders. And then they've also put Calendar and Find My iPhone back into beta because they're adding some new features there as well. So we'll take a look at the two new applications first. So with Notes, you've got that same exact iOS look to it. You can add a new note by selecting the plus icon right here. Then you can go ahead and type up your message. You can email the note, but that feature doesn't appear to be working right now, so it'll probably be added in the future. Then you can go ahead and use the arrow keys to sort between your notes that you've opened. You've got your list of notes here on the left hand side, and when you're done you can go ahead and delete the note. Next then is Reminders, once again looking very much like it does in iOS. You can add a new note by add a new reminder by selecting the plus icon right here, and then you can edit the details of that reminder. So have it remind you on a day at a certain time. You can repeat that reminder. You can choose which list that reminder goes in. You can change the priority as well as add an optional note right there. When you're done, you can go ahead and select the check mark. It'll go to your completed list. You can add a new reminders list by selecting the plus icon, and then you can edit the list that you have right here as well. Now before we take a look at Calendar and Find My iPhone, I wanted to show you guys that under the account settings there is the new notifications tab right here. So now you'll be able to view in-app notifications from Calendar and Find My iPhone directly on the iCloud website. So I'm assuming it'll look just like it does in iOS. You'll receive some sort of banner notification at the top of the screen, and you can select it and it'll take you to the application that it came from. So support should be added for this in the future. As of right now though, it doesn't appear to be working. So now we'll take a look at the apps themselves. And Calendar, I haven't really noticed anything new. It's got the same exact look and feel to it. But if you do open up Preferences, I did notice that under the Advanced section, you can receive in-app notifications for invitations here on iCloud. And then we'll take a look at the Find My iPhone application. So some of you guys may have seen my video where I did the iOS 6 beta one. You guys might want to check that out for more details on how the lost mode feature works. But Apple still has Google Maps support in here. They did remove that in the beta application, so they still may do that in the future, or they may decide to keep it around. But you still have your standard satellite and hybrid map views. You can zoom in on that location, zoom out, and center in on that location with these icons right here. Then you've got your devices, so you can select which device you want, and then you've got, of course, your lost mode right here. What lost mode allows you to do is put a passcode on your device, and then you can enter in an optional phone number here so that the person can access your data, but they can get a phone number to contact you to return your device. So you can just enter in a number right there, and then you can also enter in a lost mode message right here that will appear on the screen of the device. So if you guys want to find out more about lost mode, be sure to check out my iOS 6 Find My iPhone application beta video. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be sure to make another video when Apple adds support for emailing notes as well as the ability to view in-app notifications, and I will see you guys later.